Oh, hey, girls and Rob. It is Friday, and I like the way this light makes me look. It's very bright. This week has been so long again. I'm like exhausted right now. But there's 1 week till Halloween, and I was wondering what all of you guys were being for Halloween. I'm being Bellatrix, like you probably already know, and yeah, I'm kind of not really sure what kind of costume I'm gonna make yet. I haven't bought anything, and I pretty much never buy anything for. I pretty much never buy anything for Halloween. Like I make a point of not buying anything. Okay, you can ignore Nadia now. Yeah. Okay, Nadia, I'm ignoring you now. So yeah, Halloween. What are you guys being? That's what I want to know. I have lots of questions to get through today, so I'm not going to be talking much about me. Okay, first question. Weird talents? Like, Patty asked for, like, weird talents or something. I don't really have that many, but I have really flexible fingers, and, like, I can fold each finger over all the way to the end, so it's like this, and then I can do it with the other one too. With this one finger, and then this hand, and then I can do it with see? Now, I'm pretty sure most people can't do this. And my fingers are totally fine. Okay, another question. Favorite magical creature? My favorite magical creature is probably dragon, obviously, because that's like not only in Harry Potter. I like dragons. Okay, Rob's top 5 favorite shampoos. I have been using the same shampoo for pretty much my whole life, and any other kind, like, I'm allergic to. So, Pantene, like, Rejuvenant, Pantene, like, Extract Natural Eco something, Pantene, like, Smooth and Sleek, and then back to regular Pantene. NaNoWriMo, I'm not doing it. I mean, I like to write, but I can't write novels. I have no creativity when it comes to writing novels. I can write essays, and I can write articles. I just can't write stories. So, I've been waiting all week for my Amazon package to get here, and it took like 2.5 days. I thought it wasn't going to be here till next Monday, but it got here yesterday. Got the New Moon Movie Companion, New Moon soundtrack, and Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy because I needed a new book. And this is the thing. It's very pretty. There's very pretty pictures in it. Look. So yeah, sorry for burning all your brains, but yeah, it's awesome. Okay, challenge time, yeah. I haven't had weather to do the leaf one, and I really wanted to, but it's been raining all week, and like today was like snowing, so I couldn't rake up leaves and jump in them, or I would have cried. So I guess I'm gonna have to do the blue thing and balance like 3 or more blue things on my nose. I have went around my room and found blue things because I'm supposed to balance blue things on my nose. I have a blue pen, blue bottle of makeup remover, a blue notebook, and if I can manage it, I have a blue Kleenex box with little orange fishies on it. Okay, you're gonna get a really, really sick image of my neck.
On the holiday pathfind stair, because we be levitating in the air while we're chilling on our wither sticks.
That was natty. Okay, back to challenge. You're... Go! She's hyper. Yeah. Okay, back to balancing blue things on my nose. Sorry, the neck. No. O-M-G. Okay. Kleenex. Oh my god. I lost the Kleenex box. So that was 3 things. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh my god, I just don't like a challenge. Okay. So that was my challenge, and my challenge for next week, for someone next week, is to introduce us to one of your friends who isn't a HOA member. So if I roll Patty, you can't introduce Mackenzie, and if I roll Nadia, you can't introduce me, and vice versa, etc., etc. I'm going to use RollDiceOnline.com. Oh, and I also have Sylvie spazzing down there in my little computer. Apparently y'all enjoy doing that. I'm on Roll Dice Online. Roll a 5-sided die. Roll once, roll 2. Mackenzie. Does anybody want to make one last beep? Anyone? You're gonna get an onslaught of crazy beeps, I know it. It's awesome because it was my last time on this stupid ass bus. And on Monday we have a brand new route with a brand new bus driver. And yeah, that's it. DFTBA and Rob, I will see you on Monday.